Hey guys, this is how to transfer from Payoneer to another bank account. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can understand them more. So first, just simply log in into your Payoneer account in Payoneer.com. On the left side of the screen guys, just simply go ahead and click on bank account. It will be under the account activity. And after that, just simply choose recipient bank account, and from there just simply click on add bank account, and after that just simply fill in the bank details of your recipient. So just simply provide their country, currency, recipient details, and account details. And from there, once you have added their bank account, just simply go ahead and click add bank account to save the details. And from there, go to the left side menu again and just simply go ahead and click on pay. And from there guys, just simply select pay to recipient bank account. And from there, guys, just simply choose the bank account that you just added. And from there, just simply input the amount you want to transfer. And after that, just simply provide all of the necessary information to proceed. And from there, just simply review. And once you are done, just simply click on confirm to complete the transaction. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.